What's up, people? Second call of the day. You know where I be at? Apartment. Well, anyways, got unit not cooling. They say it's on, so just the blower most likely is running. Hopefully it's just a capacitor or saw that. The water can get in there. No, the car wouldn't be running either. Those are fused. So let's find out what's going on. Okay, I checked the capacitors were good. Contactor was pushed in, and I checked the voltage coming in and out of the contactor was good. I found this motor not spinning. Got a screwdriver. It's running, it's turned on. So most likely it's compressor shut off and thermal overload. And motor needs to be replaced because that's a new capacitor. Someone's fault. Maybe a year or two ago when I checked and it's still good. So motor time. There we go. There you go, people. It ran for whatever that video was, 30 seconds, 40 seconds, what'd you say, a minute? Turn it back off. Contactor still pushed in. Already confirmed. You can see. Voltage coming in. Voltage going out the contactor. But let me get a screwdriver. See if we can get this motor to spin again so I can verify. Nope, it overheated. Now it's good. It's still good. Nope, time to change this motor. You gotta put it on the compressor because the render doesn't turn off the AC unit. So this compressor was running with no fan. Fan motor's already been changed. I gotta see what rotation is going so I can tape them. So I get sun rotted, dry, rotted, or anything you call it. So now I'm just putting this compressor down because it is shut off on thermal overload. Anyway, the motor, let's go. There you go.